Get ready for science camp. This video will give you some directions and tips for getting ready for your great experience. Get set. Being prepared will help you have a successful trip. Go over this what to bring list with your parents. This list is online and is part of the packet sent home. It is especially important to be prepared for all kinds of weather. A rain poncho is a must, even though it may look sunny. Also necessary are good walking shoes and a water bottle. Don't forget to bring a bathing suit, towel, and shampoo for the showers. A clean camper is a happy camper. Label everything. It is easy to get things mixed up. We want everything you brought to camp to go home with you. Yes, bring a stuffed animal, book, and writing material. This will help you feel more comfortable. Now, skip these items and others listed on the Don't Bring section of your packing list. These will be removed from your possession. Pack everything in a duffel, or preferably a suitcase with wheels. You have to carry everything yourself. Your sleeping bag and pillow can go in a large garbage bag to keep them clean, as everything is transported by school district truck. An extra garbage bag also comes in handy for dirty clothes. More tips? Check out the menu ahead of time. Plan on something you'll like to eat at each meal and prepare to try new foods. If you are new to sleeping away from home and from your parents, practice. Plan sleepovers with your friends. If you would like a Walden West sweatshirt, t-shirt, or other gear, talk this over with your parents ahead of time and turn in a check for this purchase with your other camp forms. Most of all, bring a good attitude. We can help with everything else as long as you are positive and ready for a great week. Now go. We'll see you at camp.